Morning, students. Yes, bete. So today we'll revise grammar topic modals or auxiliary verbs. So before we begin this topic, I just want you to, I want from you people. Can you tell me the meaning of auxiliary? Yes, Dhruv. Auxiliary means additional help or support. So if it is giving any additional help or support, so what is the work of the verb? What is the work of the verb? Auxiliary verb. Hanji. It helps the main verb. I mean, these are special kind of verbs. These are helping verbs which help the main verb to depict the mood of the subject. So these are specifically used to depict the mood of the subject, and at the same time they can describe possibilities, certainty, threatening, promise, willingness, और भी कह सकते हैं ability, etc. etc. Now, what are auxiliary verbs? Examples? यही होती है auxiliary verbs. So the first feature of these auxiliary verb is these are used to express बोलो power, permission, ability, certainty, promise, possibility, power of authority. Power हो गया उसमें, ठीक है? हाँ, command, advice and threat also, duty, etc. ठीक है? Request also. Now that is the first feature of the models. Now second feature. These are always used with main verb. Means if I say I cannot do this, so that means it is just helping out this main verb. Now what is the third feature? They do not change with the change in subject. For example, I can lift this box. He can lift this box. You can lift this box. He can lift this box. She can lift this box. So even we are changing the subject, but this model is not being changed. Okay? And these are always used with first form of main verb. First form of main verb. Am I clear? So these are the features of the models. I hope it is clear to everyone. ये तो हमें बेटे पहले से ही पता है कि हाँ ये मॉडल्स का काम है and models help this way out. Now we'll try to discuss all the models one by one. Those who haven't noted down any point earlier when we did this topic, so you are requested to please note it down again. Use of can. So first of all, can anyone tell me where is it used? Where is the use of can? Do you see? For permission. Okay, for permission, example. Huh? Can I go for? So, bete, do you see there are two types of permission? First is to seek permission. Second is to give permission. Seek means किसी से permission लेना और give means किसी को permission देना. So अगर मैं ले रही हूँ तो I'll say can I go out? So I'm just seeking permission from someone. And if I say you can go, so that means I am giving that permission. So this is the first use of can. Ability and capability. Next use is ability and capability. I can lift this box. So that is my ability. That is my capability that I can lift this box. But please note down the main points. This is just for your benefit. You must have these points noted down somewhere in your notebooks. Next is power of authority. Means example. Yes, last bench. Hanji beti. Only the principal can grant you a leave because only she has that power of authority. So can is used to describe power of authority also. To give suggestion. For example, if someone comes to us and he is in some need, he wants something and some NGO is providing that. So we can just give him suggestion that NGO can help you. So that is a kind of suggestion, to give suggestion that NGO can help you. I hope these 4 uses are clear to everyone. Is it bete? Okay. Now the next is use of good. So the first most use is for polite request. Can you give me example of polite request? Anyone else? Not a difficult example, but I haven't asked you anything difficult. Hanji, Khushpreet. Could पूछ रहे हैं बेटे हम could कर रहे हैं. Yes. Could you please pass me the glass of water? Could you please pass me that salt? Could you give me this thing? So this is the just a polite request. Would be polite request के लिए use होता है ना? So that will Hanji. Would you please give me some salt? Would you please give me some sugar? So would and could both are used for polite requests also. So whatever the option will be given to you, you will fill that one. Okay? Don't get confused कि अब पता कैसे चलेगा. Both the things are right. But whatever the option will be given to you, you will write according to that. ठीक है. So this is the first use for polite request. And the next is for past tense. Past tense में बेटे if I say you, मैं सुबह दिल्ली नहीं पहुंच सका due to some circumstances. Some circumstances were like that only. या ट्रैफिक था या कुछ भी था रास्ते में, मैं सुबह दिल्ली नहीं पहुंच सका. I couldn't reach Delhi in the morning. ये है कर सका, पहुंच सका, ये पास्ट में हो गया. बट अनदर थिंग दैट वी कैन से इन पास्ट इज सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे. I could swim when I was 5. Means जब मैं 5 साल का था मैं तब स्विमिंग कर सकता था. मीन्स तब से मुझे स्विमिंग आती है, मैं तब भी स्विमिंग कर सकता था. एक सका और सकता था. तो आई हैव गिवन यू बोथ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कुड इन पास्ट टेंस. ओके, both the examples are clear to everyone. Okay. Could you please send me the address? I could sing well when I was young. Right answer, Tanishinder. Very good, bete. Use of may. Anji, bete. Can anyone tell me the use of may? First mode of the, yes, last bench. Bete, you are not audible. Permission. Permission दो तरह से. Same. To seek permission and to give permission. To seek permission की example. The most common example that we use daily. May I come in, ma'am? So that means you are seeking permission of your teacher. And to give permission, you may go out, you may come in. So this is to give permission कि हाँ तुम जा सकते हो. Next is possibility. May it rain today? नहीं बेटे, it may rain today. It may rain today means there is possibility that there can be rain, but the chances of possibilities is higher. Chance of having a rainfall is higher if we are using may. But opposite to it, the use of might. Might का use भी बेटे हम साथ साथ ही कर लेंगे क्योंकि ज्यादा इसके uses है नहीं है. Might is also used for possibility. Possibility, if I say it may rain today, and if I say it might rain today. So what is the difference? Yes, the chances in this case is low of raining and chances in this case of having a rainfall is higher. May जो होता है that is for stronger possibility and might is used for weaker possibility. Am I clear? May for stronger possibility and might for weaker possibility. This news may be true. This news might be true. वही है कि अगर वो न्यूज ट्रू होने के चांसेस है तो स्ट्रॉन्गर इज द इन द केस ऑफ मे बट वीकर इन द केस ऑफ माइट. I hope this much portion is clear to everyone. Might is also used to express reproach. Reproach means an expression of disappointment, an expression of anger, जिसमें थोड़ा सा गुस्सा झलक रहा हो या हमें कहीं we are disappointed somewhere. Like example has been given, you might have told me the truth. You might have told me the truth means हम किसी को disappointment से गुस्से से कह रहे हैं कि तुम्हें मुझे सच बता देना चाहिए था. That is the use of might. Okay, we don't say you may have told me the truth. No, you might have told me the truth. That is the another use of might. Otherwise these are used for possibility only, but another use of might is to express reproach, an expression of disappointment. जब हम टीचर्स भी कभी गुस्सा आते हैं या पेरेंट्स आर एंग्री विद यू समटाइम्स एंड you must have spoken some lie, at that time it is said that you must have told me the truth. Now the next use of may, might का इतना use है बेटे. The next use of may is for wish or blessing. Examples तो सबको आते होंगे. May God bless you, may you live long, may Almighty shower thy choicest blessings upon you on this auspicious day. There are numerous examples of wish or blessings. Right answer Tanish Indar bete. So this is the use of may and might. Use of should. The first prime use of should is for advice. जब हम किसी को एडवाइस करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बट इतनी सारी एग्जाम्पल सारी क्लास को ही आए. होप whole of the class should raise hand in this case. You should help the needy. You should go to the class now. You should tell me the truth. You should clean the door. You should do your duty. You should मतलब सारा you नहीं करना है, मैंने कुछ नहीं करना है ना. You should do exercise regularly. You should do yoga regularly. You should have healthy habits. So the हाँ जी आरव बोलो. हाँ हाँ ये आरव के मतलब का था, यू शुड प्ले गेम्स एवरी डे। नहीं, really, this is for your overall development. Playing games is equally important along with the studies. So this is the use of should. The first use is this advice. Next, for acceptance. Acceptance in the way we should be thankful to Mr. Sharma for his help. That is the acceptance from our side. कि हाँ हम उसको एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि that person had helped us in the time of our need, so that is acceptance from my side कि we should be thankful to him. How much should I contribute towards the relief fund? So this is to seek advice from someone. आप किसी से advice ले रहे हो कि मैं उसके relief fund के लिए कितना contribute करूं. So the second is acceptance. We should be thankful to Mr. Sharma for his help. Any other example? We should be thankful to God for all his blessings. Now next is with lest. Lest is a conjunction, and when we did this topic, I told you कि lest is always followed by should. जहां lest आ जाएगा उसके साथ should का आना जरूरी है. Can you give me example? हाँ? टेक क्या कह रही है? Walk slowly, lest you should fall. Work hard, lest you should fail. बोलते हैं ऐसे sentences lest वाले. What is the meaning of lest? Yes, ऐसा ना हो के. Means धीरे चलो, ऐसा ना हो के तुम गिर जाओ. Work hard lest you should fail. मेहनत करो, ऐसा ना हो के तुम fail हो जाओ. So this is the next use of should. It is always used with lest. And the next is guess or assumption. Example of guess or assumption. Work hard lest you should fail. Hurry up lest you should late. Very good. He ran fast lest he should miss the train. Okay, right answer. Work hard lest you should fail. Right answers bete. Now guess or assumption की example लिखेंगे. The student sitting online. हाँ जी, ध्रुव. Yes, he should have reached Delhi by now. मतलब this is our assumption कि वो अब तक दिल्ली पहुंच गया होगा. So this is our guess or assumption. It should be 9 o'clock now. Almost. When we are guessing about time, जब हमारे पास घड़ी नहीं है, we can't see time, so we just have a guesswork. It should be 9 a.m. by now. कि अब तक 9 बज गए होंगे. It should be 12 o'clock. Right answer part. Desire. Now I have taught you this topic, so this is my desire that you should be able to score good marks. So now you should be able to get good marks. You should be able to score good marks after the revision of this topic. So this is a kind of desire also, where we can use should. We should now buy a car. Okay. It should be 12 o'clock. The work should be completed by now. Good. Right answers. Vanshika, Saisha, Parth. Right answers, bete. So I hope till this the topic is clear to everyone. So Monday we have 2 periods. So we will revise this topic as well as we will revise vocabulary also. Clear? So bye for now, bete. Time is over.